Hey guys, good morning. So for Module 1, Lesson 7, Math today, we are going to be looking at subtracting numbers within 20, taking out a 10, kind of like we've been doing, except that we're going to stay within 20 and work more with our teen numbers. So the first problem I want to look at is 11 minus 9. And a lot of you are saying, oh yeah, I can do that in my head, no problem. And yes, hopefully you can do this in your head, but I want you to be able to also see it as breaking a 10 out. So on first glance at 11, you would say, oh, well, I have one 10 and one 1, so I could draw a quick 10 and a 1. But if in doing that, you won't have enough ones to take out all 9. So we actually have to draw this 10 stick out as 10 ones. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then, of course, you still have 1, 1 in the ones place. So then I'm going to take out 9. Well, I want to do it from my 10 stick first. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do I have left? I have 2, so the answer is 2. The other way I showed you to do this is essentially breaking out 2 parts from your 11 and taking out the 10 first. So if I took out the 10 from 11, I would have 1 left. Again, this is just like your number bond, so you have part, whole being the 11. And then the reason we do that is so we can look at this simple problem here, which is 10 minus 9. And 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, just like our picture shows. But we can't forget that we still have 1 left. So we have that 1 and this 1. So if you put those back together, because that's what's remaining, the answer is 2, just like we did on the other one. Okay. So if you're not quite getting it yet, I'm going to show you this next problem, but I'm going to show you with my fingers first. So I'm going to do, Joy, can I get your fingers? I'm going to show you with fingers. So if I were doing 12 with my fingers, then yes, of course, I don't have 12 fingers, so you would need somebody else, but this is just to show you. So I have 1 10 and 2 1s. Just 2, Joy. So here I have 12. I have a 10, and she has 2 1s. So if I'm going to take out 9, I'm going to start with my fingers, and I'm going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 1 left in my 10, and she has 2 left. I have to put those together, and that's my answer. 12 minus 9 is 3. But by putting them together, I'm adding them back together. And I'll show you again on here. Thanks, Joy. Okay, so what I did there with my fingers is the same thing we're doing. So on this 12, I'm going to take out a 10, just like I had my fingers up. And then what's my other part of 12? Well, that's 2. That was Miss Joy. She had 2 extra fingers up on the side. And now I can do the first part of my problem, which is 10 minus 9. And what happened when I had 10 and I took away, sorry, I'm backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 1 left. And then we can't forget about Miss Joy's fingers. So she had 2, I had 1 left. And what did we do with our fingers in the end? We had to count up how many we had left. So we put them together, meaning I added them back together. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. The answer is 3. Hope this helps out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.